What we've got here is a $3 gourmet Walmart special. We've got $2 worth of salmon. Wild caught, sustainably farmed. Well, it's not farmed. Wild caught, I think, means they hatch them in a hatchery and they release them into the ocean. They let them live their natural life and then they catch them. So it's basically wild salmon. What you want to do when you're at Walmart, look for that wild caught right there. Anything marked with wild caught, it has that sustainability stamp, is what you want. Either that or wild salmon. You want to avoid the farmed fish because they haven't been eating the natural food that they'll eat in the ocean and stuff, so there won't be all the nutrients. This stuff is good stuff right here. Over here we've got some broccoli cheddar, also known as cheddar broccoli. A little bit of pasta, $1 pack. Over here we've got some, well, I need to get that off of there. Got some broccoli, nice and boiled, steamed, whatever you want to call it. Just follow the directions on the back of there, that's how you cook that. Salmon, just cook it. Ouch, whoo, that's hot. I'll call this one the $3 Walmart Gourmet Special. There it is. Enjoy. I put a little bit of oil in this pan. The main, most important thing is just don't burn anything. Just don't burn it. And as long as you don't burn it, you're doing good. You got to cook this to a certain temperature, get it good and hot. Just don't burn it. You got to watch out for stuff like that right there. Look at it. Sneaky little coupon in there hiding. What do you think about that? 25 cents off a $1 pack of pasta is actually a pretty good deal. Almost forgot to tell you about the secret lemon and pepper seasoning. And the salmon here like this, something like that right there. Look at it. That's how you want to do that. It's delicious. What's going on? What's going on? I don't know how you like yours, but I have to do a little bit of salt like that right there. Salt everything up. Then I gotta do this right here. Some black pepper. Yeah, pepper everything up real good. There it is. I'm gonna have to rename it. I'm gonna call it cheddar broccoli salmon a la Walmart. $3 special. Oh, excuse me, pepper in the nose. You might pay something like $20 in a restaurant for something like that, meal like that. Might be presented a little better, but there it is. I don't know if they have this at the Walmarts where you live. Warritos Mandarin. I'm not sure if it's soda pop or what it is. It's really quite good. It's 99 cents for a big 1.5 liter bottle. I have to have a big glass of that with this meal. I hope you enjoyed it. And as always, thanks for watching.